extremely rich in vitamin C, Liliko'i is a vine fruit that first came to Hawaii in the early 20th century. Today, its flavor is cherished throughout the islands.
Alright, so we are going to juice some Liliko'is here. It's a little bit different than how you would juice citrus fruit and most fruit, so we're going to show you how we do it. Here we have some Liliko'is in a bowl. They're also known as passionfruit on the mainland, and this is how they look when they're ripe. They're a bright yellow color. These ones are a little less ripe. They'll still be okay. They'll be a little more sour. So how we juice them is we actually take them and we put them through a food mill or a ricer. So this is like how you make applesauce and other things. So these Liliko'is, as you'll see, I'll cut one open right now, they're full of seeds, and the juice and the pulp is all bound up in the seeds. So we don't want the seeds, but we want all the juice. So this mesh at the bottom of the ricer will actually catch the seeds. There's a few different varieties of Liliko'i that grow here in Hawaii. This one is the basic yellow Liliko'i. It's very sour, or it's not extremely sour if it's very ripe, but it's the most sour of all the varieties. Then we have the purple Liliko'i, which is a very small, very sweet floral Liliko'i. And then we have the orange or peach Liliko'i, which is kind of fuzzy and shaped more like an egg, and inside is very highly perfumed, delicious, sweet. So we just want to keep turning that food mill until the seeds look black and dry, which means all the pulp and juice is gone, and we're only left with the seeds. So we are about done. You see how I'm not going to go too overboard. These could be drier, but we have so many Liliko'i that it doesn't really matter. So this is the juice, gorgeous orange juice, great for cocktails, great for juices, adding to water, whatever you want to use it for. So that's juicing Liliko'is on Eat